Hello again, everyone. Alright, so today I took a trip to Home Depot. I had to actually pick up some more plugs, trying to just make some practice locks for beginners that I can give away. But while I was there, I decided maybe I'm going to try to find another lock, something halfway decent that I could pick and put on a video. So what I did was I picked pretty much their best lock I could find from there. This is the Master Lock Magnum. It's #1 choice of professionals. And it did say it's a number 10, I guess for pick resistance and pretty much overall being a pretty secure lock. It is real heavy. I think if I pick this I can take the core out and we'll see what's inside. I'm not sure. Now, one thing I did notice, we'll go over a couple features. One thing I did notice, when I was picking this lock, I tried to pick one with the best bidding. Okay. I don't know if you can see that because it's in the black. But I tried to pick one with the best bidding, and I noticed 3 locks in a row had this bidding on it. Now, I didn't think possible that they could maybe give the same bidding in the same lot to the same store, because if I bought one lock, I'd get a key, and I could open up, a few of the other locks that are there, too. And I noticed there was only 3 more locks, and they had another bidding, and those biddings were all exactly the same, too. So if I bought both those locks, I had the keys to all these locks right here, anyways. But anyways, a couple things on this lock. It is, says it's a 10 in security. This is the M93, or excuse me, M30 XKADLH. As always, tough under fire. This lock in the back here, it says, solid steel body for ultimate strength, ball bearing locking, maximum pry resistance. So I guess we won't be able to shim this, and it says it's, a 5-pin tumbler mechanism for maximum pick resistance. That's what we're going to test today, because, I've only been in the sport, maybe about 6 months, so let's see what the pick resistance for somebody like, me is. Covered keyway, for the weather. It is very thick shackle too. I mean, it says it's boron carbide. So, alright, well let's get into this and see if we can get it open. Yeah, I better get this key out, I guess, so I can open it. I don't think I'm going to be able to fit this whole thing in my vise to pick it open, so let's see if we can get this thing off of here. And get this key out. Alright, well, it says just to cut it. That wasn't that easy. Alright. Let's get the lock out of here. Let's check their pick resistance on it. Alright. It is a pretty heavy duty lock. Ooh, there's a pretty good spring tension on this. That might mess with us a little bit in picking it, but it does work very well. Like I said, that is the bidding on it. It's the best I could find, guys. Alright, let's see what the pick resistance on this lock is. Let me clear some of this stuff out of my way. Stick it in this vise. It's a pretty good sized lock. I had to open up the vise a bit for that one. Alright. I use top of the keyway, this 40 thousandths that I have, and I pretty much open a lot. I mean, this is only a master lock, guys, so, I mean, maybe we're not going to expect too much, but I'm going to use this standard to pretty much a short hook from the Southward beginner set. It's kind of my lucky pick, I guess. Alright, let's see what this lock has to give us. Alright, let's go in the back here. A little click from 5. A little bit from 2. A little bit from 1. I don't know if I was getting a little feedback from 5. Let's check first. Well, a little bit more from 2. There was some feedback there, and this is 1. I got a good click out of him. Another click from 5. Maybe we got some security pins in here. We're going to see if we could... Oh, got some counter rotation from 4. I might have overset him. Yep, I think I did. I think I just did it again. Oh, okay, and we're open. Alright guys, so not much pick resistance there, I guess. The lock is open. I'm not sure if I could gut this. Let's take a look. Yeah, there is a screw down there. Alright, it's an Allen. I'm not expecting that to be metric, and I have a oh, no, I do have a... I think this is American. This is my old set. Oh man, I hope I have something that's going to fit this. I wasn't prepared for this. Maybe this one? Yep. Alright, yeah, we're going to get this thing open, I think. See what's inside here, guys. Master lock, maybe I'm not expecting too much, but we might be able to make this into a lot better lock. Maybe this is a video for the consumer. Let you know you're not always getting what you pay for, guys. That was just a little bit too easy to get into. Oh, they did put a little Loctite on there, too. Alright. Let's see what we got here. I guess we got to take all this rubber off. Or at least split it out. Okay, we got the rubber off. It's a pretty nice thick plate on there. But there's no drill protection in front of there. Alright, let's see what we got here. Where's the key? Alright, let's see if we can get this out of here. I think there is some bypass protection down there. I mean, there is a wafer or something down there. Alright, let's see what we got in here, guys. 1, 2, it shows that could be a 6-pin if it wanted to be. But it's only going to be a 5. Let's lock it up. So we'll get the clip off of it. Alright, let me move some stuff here. Pull this a little bit closer. Lower the camera a little bit. Alright, this one I guess is probably going to take this little double A, I would think, I hope. Yeah. Alright, let's see if we get the clip off, guys. Always the toughest part. You know what? Is that even a clip? I don't even know if there's a clip there. I'm not sure if I'm going to get this part, guys. Yeah, they detented it, so we can't. Right there. And on the other side. Well, that really sucks. Yep, I don't think we're getting in this one. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a detent here and one over here. So, I'm not sure if this one's going to come apart. Let me see what I got, though, real quick. Maybe I can mess with that detent and redo it. Alright, let me see if I get that other one. Oh, there's the top of my key. I don't want to go that way. Oh, yeah, I don't want to go that way. Right. Just this way. Let's see if I can mess with this one now. to have gotten this apart, but I don't think so, guys. Yeah, there's no clip on it, and I don't think we're going to manipulate those detents enough without taking too much time here. Yeah. Yep. Oh, maybe we are. Oh, boy. Yeah, we're going to get it apart, but we kind of messed it up a little bit. Alright, that's cool. And I got the first pin, number 5, and that was actually a spool. Alright, well, guys, we are going to try to take this apart, and I do have... maybe I should shim it first. Alright, well, you know what? We're going to get it apart. I don't care. Because I do want to see what's inside these master locks that made it too easy to pick. Alright. Wish me luck, guys. I've failed in this too many times. Oh, maybe we're not getting it out that way. Hold on. We locked her back up again. Alright, right there. Let's keep her there. Try to shimmer up. And let's try to unlock her. Alright. Alright, guys. That's it. We got it. We got her open. Alright. 5 key pins. And there's a slot for 6. It kind of does suck. Oh, I'm try to get this focused. I don't know what's going on with my camera right now. But there is 5 key pins. Did we lose our lighting? Sorry about that. I think we lost our lighting. Alright. Key pin 1. Standard. 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 And a standard. Alright, but I think we do have some security pins up in this Bible. Alright, so we pulled it forward, so this is going to be number 1, and I think that's the one that... Oh no, wait a minute, hold on. This is where I get confused, guys. Pulled it out this way, so number 1 is going to be here. And I think this is number 5 that popped out. So, where's my tweezers? What do I do with them? Right here. Alright, see what we got here. So number 1 is also another spool. Another spool in 1. A spool in 2. We might just have a spool-a-thon in this thing. Yeah, spool in 3. Another spool in 4. And you already seen the spool in number 5, so that's it, gentlemen. All spools. Yep, all spools, and there's nothing special done in the Bible, I'm sure. Or in the core. Nothing done in the core, but you know what? I might be able to make this into a way better lock. Alright, guys. Real quick, like I said, bunch of spools in this lock. It was just still a real easy pick. Alright, so that's our Master Lock Magnum. Supposed to be one of their best locks, number 10. I'm not thinking so. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and if you have any comments, comment below. And for all the rest of you guys, if you don't have the permission from the owner, don't open it. Thanks, guys. Bye.